multiple threats and attack attempts on former U.S. President Donald Trump. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has faced multiple assassination attempts and death threats over the past several years, raising serious concerns about his security. In a shocking incident last night, a gunman reportedly entered the White House Correspondents Dinner and opened fire, causing panic and chaos among attendees. Fortunately, Donald Trump, First Lady Melania Trump, Vice President JD Vance, and other cabinet members remained unharmed. However, this is not the first time Trump has been targeted. Back in July 2024, Trump narrowly survived an assassination attempt during an election rally in Butler, Pennsylvania. During the attack, he sustained an ear injury, while one bystander lost their life. Security agents responded immediately and shot the attacker, identified as Thomas Matthew Crooks, at the scene. Just months later, in September 2024, another armed individual was discovered hiding near Trump's golf course in West Palm Beach, Florida. Authorities stated that the suspect intended to assassinate Trump. A Secret Service agent spotted the individual, later identified as Ryan Ralph, before he could carry out the attack. He was arrested and later convicted, receiving a life sentence in February. In a separate incident, 21-year-old Austin Tucker Martin attempted to enter Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida armed with a shotgun. Trump was not present at the time, and security forces shot the suspect during the breach. Earlier threats date back even further. In September 2020, a Canadian national sent a poison letter addressed to Trump. In June 2016, a British citizen attempted to seize a police officer's weapon during a Trump rally in Las Vegas. Additionally, in September 2017, an individual in North Dakota stole a forklift and attempted to approach the presidential motorcade with the intention of causing harm. These repeated incidents highlight ongoing security challenges surrounding Donald Trump, as authorities continue to investigate and strengthen protective measures. Stay updated with the latest breaking news and global events. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.